guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be an evening clean with me, which means that it might be light outside now, but by the time I'm done, trust me, it does get dark. So I am going to go ahead and let the music play, and I hope you guys enjoy the video and get some cleaning motivation to tackle any evening project that you may have going on. And also, I do want to mention that I probably won't be doing too much of the voiceover this time around, so I am just going to let the music play and enjoy the music.
So good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left, indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe. kissing in the rain. Oh, look me in my eyes. Never thought they could tell you lies. I know they didn't. It keeps messing with my head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best, or you would break. That is why you left without a text. Without a text, no. I miss you, babe. Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from love. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. Been missing everything that we had. Been missing everything that I miss you, babe. Can't be too late. I miss you, babe. I miss you, Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and in a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last